Okay, so for part 2 of this video, we're going to take our round arch that we've already created, and now we're going to make that more interesting shapes. So I'm going to go back to my exterior elevation, and I'm going to select the opening cut. Okay, and we want to edit that sketch. So let's delete the arch element, and what we want to do is, now you can make these shapes quite varied, but there are a few things that it can cause problems with if you're not careful. So I'll make that 300. There we go. And then I'll go to like there for now. Okay, I'm going to mirror those ones so as to make sure I get them exactly the same on the other side. And then I'm just going to tidy up this little bit here. Now, this bit is quite important. What we want to use here is this tangent arc. Okay, so if you don't use the tangent arc, you can create various problems. So at the moment, it's just set it by there. We can, however, click on that and just stretch it a bit, all right, just to give it a shape that you want. And you could also do that by clicking on that and giving that a fairly straight number, like so. And when we've done that, lock that into place as well. All right, and we can see that these ones have already locked as well. So they're all now connected together. All right, but that's our opening. And now we need to edit our sweep to suit. So let's click on that, edit sweep, go back to our exterior. Okay, and we want to pick the path. So we're going to get rid of that line, and then we'll pick some edges. And again, we'll just tidy up those bits by there. Okay, and tick again, and there we go. So we look at that in 3D, and we can now see we've created quite a nice custom, unusual shape to our arch, and you can do that with a whole variety, but just that point of using the correct curve command, otherwise it can give you issues with getting the sweep correct. So I hope you enjoyed that little video, and thank you for watching.